Welcome to Axcys by Global Electronics. In this video, we demonstrate how to use the wireless handheld tester. The tester is designed to allow the user to roam around the property, to perform range tests. The handheld tester provides a pair of LEDs to show the user, visually, that bidirectional communication with the Axcys transceiver is working. Since there is no power switch, we first must remove the 4 cover screws. Insert the battery. Screw the cover back on. If the LEDs flash continuously, please remove the battery and reinsert. Although the LEDs indicate that the handheld tester is working and communicating with the wireless transceiver, it will wear the battery down much faster and you will lose control over its operation. In typical use, when the button is pressed, the handheld tester will send a signal to the wireless transceiver, demonstrated by the T LED blinks. The wireless transceiver will respond to the handheld tester. When it does, the R LED blinks. This process is repeated when the button is released. If you press and release, expect more than one blink of both the T LED and the R LED. Thank you for watching. Please visit axcys.com or call 800-591-6989.